Hello everyone, in this tutorial we learn about GitHub and how to post a file in GitHub. First we create a directory and creating a file which is an HTML file. Okay, we open our VS Code and creating the HTML file which is named by index.html. Now we write the HTML code here. Okay, we write the HTML code using a shortcut which is shift and exclamation sign. Now we like our code to our web browser, which is our localhost 127.0.0.1:5500. Okay, now I change my title name to practice. Okay, you can see change the title name here. Now I write h1 tag and write hello buddy. And now you can see in our browser. Now I paste a code for saving my time, because we discuss about GitHub, not about the HTML. When we create a video for HTML, then we discussed each function. Now here is the output of that code. I comment out the h1 tags and also comment out the email section, because when I modified, then I uncomment this. Okay, now here I go to the inspect, because I copy from the website and here is some mistaken, and we change the padding and we change it here also, because that is an output section. And now it's look good, not very good, but it look good now. Okay, now we go to GitHub and create a repository. First we give a repository name. You can add a description also. I write something here. Okay, my practice. You can also add a readme file, but I don't need it. I click it the creating repository directly, and after clicking that, GitHub made a repository for us. Now here is some command which is produced by GitHub. First is git init, it means initialization of Git. Okay, we come to our VS Code and open new terminal and paste the git init. Okay, we got an error here, because in our system git is not installed. Firstly, you have to install git in your device. I go to the Git website and download the Git because my device is 64-bit. That's why I installed it 64-bit for Windows setup. After installing, you have to restart your VS Code. Then you write the git init and you can see the git init is worked now. We write the command one by one and see what happened. Okay. Next is git commit, because what you are commit, it is shown in GitHub, your last update, like a to-do list. Okay, here is some error. After pasting all the command, you have to add your mail ID and your username, because the Git wants to know who is authorized. Okay, I write here my username and mail ID. Now I pushed my code. Okay, now I write git status, because git status means what is the status of my file. If it's green, then it is committed. If it is not green, it is not committed. Now I pushed my code. Okay, GitHub needs some authentication, because it connects your locally installed Git to your GitHub account. GitHub needs your device authentication. Here is the code to paste your GitHub ID, and it's work. Nice. Okay, now I refresh my GitHub and you can see index file is added in our GitHub. Okay, you can say here is the commented code, but I change it from VS Code. Okay, I uncomment this and I pushed again. You can see the blue line, because these lines are modified, that's why. Now I commit to second and push it. Now there is the okay, fine, the code is pushed and okay, here is shown, but after refresh it will uploaded the new. Okay, you can see the uncomment, which is uncomment from VS Code. Okay, thank you. That's it for today's session.